Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Tesco Mobile, found at www.tescomobile.com, is a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, in the UK. This means they don't own their own network infrastructure but instead utilize the existing O2 network. Leveraging O2's established infrastructure allows Tesco Mobile to offer a wide range of coverage across the United Kingdom, reaching a significant portion of the population. As a result, customers can generally expect a reliable connection in most areas, benefiting from O2's ongoing investment and maintenance in its network. Tesco Mobile offers a variety of plans, catering to diverse needs and budgets. These plans encompass options for pay-as-you-go customers, offering flexibility for those who prefer not to be tied to a contract. They also provide a selection of monthly contract options, with varying data allowances, minutes, and text messages to suit individual usage patterns. One of Tesco Mobile's key selling points is its integration with the Tesco Clubcard loyalty program. This connection allows customers to earn Clubcard points on their mobile bills, which can then be redeemed for discounts on groceries and other Tesco services. This integration provides added value and can be particularly appealing to existing Tesco shoppers. Beyond standard mobile plans, Tesco Mobile also offers a range of mobile phones for purchase, both outright and on contract deals. This provides a convenient one-stop shop for acquiring a new device and setting up a mobile plan simultaneously. They offer a selection of handsets from various manufacturers, catering to different preferences and price points. Finally, Tesco Mobile provides customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and online resources. This aims to ensure that customers can easily access assistance when needed, addressing any queries or technical issues they may encounter. Their website, tescomobile.com, serves as a central hub for information about their plans, offers, and services.